Have you ever heard of contrast therapy, where you go from extremely hot temperatures to extremely cold temperatures? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you my favorite ritual for how I do contrast therapy here at home. Now, before I get started with my contrast therapy session, I like to get started with a red light therapy session to just supercharge my mitochondria inside my cells. Have you ever seen these? These are actually red light therapy panels. They're medical grade devices, and let me tell you what they do. All right, I know the benefits of red light therapy, but I wanted to ask ChatGPT the benefits, and here they are. Red light therapy has been shown to have various health benefits. It can help improve skin health, reduce inflammation, promote wound healing, reduce pain, improve joint health, enhance muscle recovery and performance, and even improve sleep quality. And this is my current sauna setup. This is a sauna that I purchased off of Amazon. It's an infrared sauna. I did my own little DIY and I added a patio heater inside. This gets my sauna up to temperatures over 200 degrees, which is what we're currently at and what we're gonna be cooking at today for this session. However, if you do go to the links in my description below, I've recently teamed up with Redwood Outdoors, which makes some of the best barrel saunas and some of the best saunas that I've ever seen. I'm really stoked. I have one on the way. I'll be doing a review on that shortly. Feel free to check that out in the description below. It saves you 250 bucks off of any sauna you choose if you want to get one for yourself. Now let's jump in, and similar to red light therapy, I wanted to ask ChatGPT. Sauna therapy has been shown to have various health benefits. It can help improve cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, improve lung function, reduce chronic pain, boost the immune system, improve skin health, and even help with mental health. For my cold plunge sessions, I'm gonna be using my Polar Monkey cold plunge. This thing is amazing. Keeps my temperatures down all the way to 37 degrees, so I'm super pumped on this. I use my Polar Monkey plunge. I'm also gonna be using my ice barrel. This is my DIY setup. I have a chiller, a pump, and a filter. Keeps my water in the ice barrel at a crisp 50 degrees. This one I keep a little bit hotter because my family likes to use this one, and getting in sub 40 degree water is not their style, so I'll be getting in these today. All right, as you know, I'm a massive fan of cold plunging, so I'm gonna post what ChatGPT says the benefits of cold plunging and cold water immersion are right here on the screen. Feel free to pause and read. I like to do 10 minutes in the sauna, followed by 3 minutes in the cold, and then repeat. And as you saw, I like to start with red light therapy. But I also asked ChatGPT what the benefits of contrast therapy were. Contrast therapy, which involves alternating between heat and cold, such as sauna and ice bath, can have various health benefits. It can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, promote healing, enhance immune function, and improve overall physical performance. The heat from the sauna dilates blood vessels and promotes blood flow, while the cold from the ice bath constricts blood vessels and reduces inflammation. Feel free to pause this and read over the massive benefits of contrast therapy. Well, there you have it. That's one of my favorite contrast therapy protocols, where I go from red light therapy to the extreme heat in the sauna to the cold plunge, back to extreme heat in the sauna, back to a cold plunge, and then I like to air dry and just drip dry after that. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I will respond to every question. If you'd like to get yourself a cold plunge, a sauna, red light therapy device, I posted some links in the description below that you can definitely check out. Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day. I'll see you on the next video, and God bless.